Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be reading the book Blackbird Yellow Sun by Steve Light. So there's a black bird and orange leaves. He is surrounded by orange leaves. And there's a black bird and there's purple grapes. Seems like he's going to taste the purple grapes. Okay, next, the black bird and the green grass. So we can see the black bird inside the green grass. He is slightly hidden. And we also see a worm here, crawling and creeping around. And now we are seeing a black bird and a red snake. This is a big red snake, and it has some stripes in its body. So now the black bird is standing in the gray rocks. Now the black bird is standing in the leaves of the pink flower. There are so many pink flowers around the black bird. So now the black bird has moved to the blue moon. He's standing in the branch, and we can see the blue moon in the background. The end. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for watching.